Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will make a new design, that is oil can. In this we will create some dome features on this 3D model, loft command, and a new command, that is shell in features. I hope you like it. So let's start to begin it. Select new part. OK. Use top plane, sketch, center rectangle choose. Apply it from origin of point. Give it some dimensions. Length will be 150 mm. Take height 80 mm. Now our geometry has been made. Apply some fillet at the end. Take radius 10 mm at each corner of the rectangle. Select the fillet of sketch. OK. Exit. Choose features extrude boss. Take width as 180 mm. Click OK. Take fillet command from features. Select this edge and make downward fillet as 5 mm. OK. Now for loft command, I will take this first reference plane. Select reference geometry plane from features manager. Choose first reference as this plane, top plane. OK. Plane 1 is created. Now select this plane, sketch, normal to profile. Take circle from sketch command. Draw it. Apply dimensions from here to center point of circle. Choose 40 mm distance from horizontal. From vertical choose 40 mm. Diameter will be 50 mm. OK. Exit. Now our sketch has been made. Hide this plane. Select right click, hide. Choose loft command from features manager, loft tool. Select this plane. Select this sketch. Now loft has been created. To give it proper shape, we will use start and constraint at loft tool command only. Select this, downward this arrow. Start constraint will be from here, from this top surface. I will make it normal to profile. Means it creates a profile from 90 degree perpendicular. Angle will be 0 degree only. Tangent length will be 1. For end constraint means from for the till here, I will also make this normal to profile. It goes downward direction, then from 90 degree vertical or perpendicular, 0 degree. We want like this loft, so I choose OK. Our loft has been created. Select this top surface of circle, sketch, normal to profile. Convert entity, select this circle face so that we can extend the height. OK. Exit. Choose extrude boss. It will be for 20 mm height. OK. Now again choose this face, top face that we have extruded. Sketch, normal to profile. Take circle from sketch command manager, but here we can see there is no center point. Yeah, we have seen this center point, so click this center point of this extruded circle. Select, apply dimension for this. Take 43 mm diameter. OK. Exit. Now extrude this. Up to 20 mm. OK. From here and here it is a cut portion, so I will select this plane, sketch, normal to profile. Now I will choose corner rectangle from sketch command manager, sketch tool command manager. Draw here a rectangle roughly. Apply dimension. From topward distance will be take a diameter, a dimension. Apply 35 mm distance. For this length will be 100 mm for rectangle. And inside cut gap will be 5 mm. OK. Now exit the sketch, confirm it. Choose extrude cut from features. Go to the end condition, true all. Okay. For one side portion we have cut it. For the another I will use mirror command. So features, mirror, take this arrow downward, take front plane, cut extrusion. Features to mirror will be cut extrusion. It previews it, that yellow color line. Okay. In this portion and this portion I will use extrusion and dome and fill pattern. So choose this plane, sketch, normal to profile, select circle, apply smart dimension, choose his vertical and horizontal distance. For vertical distance it will be 7 mm. For x-axis horizontal direction it also be 7 mm. Take diameter as 5 mm. Make sure you will apply all the dimensions properly for this. Exit, go to features, extrusion boss, thickness I will choose 0.5 mm thick. Okay. Now we have to create a dome here from front face of this. So for dome I will choose insert, features, go to features, select dome. Here it shows a parameter to select a face, so I will use this face to make apply dome. Dome will be 2.5 mm circular, semicircle. Click OK. We have to fill this face. So to fill this face I will use linear pattern. Add this, use this fill pattern to fill this face. Fill this boundary, use select face, and the pattern layout will be perforation as I have shown. Take distance from 1 to second O, it will be 18, degree will be 60 degree. Make sure it click this geometric pattern in options so that it will be properly shown. Now it's properly shown because we have not selected any features to fill the pattern. Then click OK. Now our dome feature pattern has been completed for one portion. For the second one, I will choose mirror, right plane, select extrusion boss, dome, dome 1, then fill pattern. It selects automatically all the three things, that is boss, extrusion, dome 1 and fill pattern 1. Make sure all the three planes are perfectly aligned so that we can easily mirror it from its center distance. So click OK. But sometimes it shows a error, and so you can apply it to another ways. So again I will create it. Select this face, sketch, use circle, take it from anywhere, apply dimensions, take 5 mm diameter as same way that we had did earlier. Okay, take thickness 0.5 mm, click OK. For dome, go to inserts, feature, select dome feature, choose this face of extruded part, click OK, select linear pattern option, choose fill pattern, select this boundary, distance as same 18 mm, select some features to it. So go here, see if we can see the preview of it by applying geometry pattern and features, burst, extrusion and dome. Click OK. Now select this face, sketch, make center line from origin to this. Select this ellipse, choose this center point as rectangular and yellow in color, apply dimensions, take height as 20 mm and this, length will be 34. Sorry, select this point and this point, apply smart dimension 34 mm. Okay, exit. Again select this face, sketch, make 3 circles linearly on this center line. Give the distance of each 2 circles will be 10 mm. Give diameter as first circle will be 6, second will be 8, no, actually second will be 7, last will be 8. I will apply one relation, add relation. Select this circle, smaller circle, select this edge of ellipse, add relation as tangent, click OK. Now our this 3 circles are fully defined. So exit this sketch, extrude. Now this time I will choose 1 mm thickness depth. Click OK. Here apply dome, insert feature, domes. Select all 3 faces. Dome will be 2.5 mm. Click OK. Choose linear pattern command. Select curve driven pattern. Take direction 1 as this ellipse. Select curve method as offset to curve. Alignment will be tangential to curve. Appear instant will be 6. Now for features select extrude, make it geometry pattern. We can see full preview on this. Make sure you will correct this curve method, offset curve first in curve method and then alignment method to tangent curve. Click OK. This portion has been made. Hide this section. Now here we have to make another one. For this I will choose mirror, select plane to mirror it. Features to mirror, select this boss, dome and curve driven pattern. It shows the preview of it. Okay. Actually, the mirror was not done properly, so I will make sure of it. If the mirror shows fail, then you can make it another curve from this face. I will delete this mirror. Or simply you can choose curve driven pattern so that it can be featured easily. Choose this direction one ellipse, make geometry pattern, Using convert entities we can make it another one also. Show this hided sketch so that we can apply our second ribbon. Our procedure will be same, so click OK. Now our second pattern has been made. Hide this all the sketches that we have created. Now our last tool command, that is shell, we can applying for first time. Select this shell, select the top face, make thickness will be 2 mm. It takes some time. So a preview has been made, then click OK. So our outward part has been inward part has been made. You can see inside the rough material also. So if you want to give any appearances, you can give, so it will be create nicely. I hope you like this video, and sorry for the delay of this mirror command. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and give one like for it. Thank you.